Here is a demonstration of the administration module of library management system called as LibMS. Just to demonstrate the functionality of the administration module, first of all I enter into the system with any user account. Say I am entering a user account 998 and I am giving the password over here, and you just see the screen appears here for the user whose name is Dushyant, and by minutely observing the screen you will find that administration module is not activated over here, cataloging module is not activated, circulation module, serial modules and system setups are deactivated. I mean to say this user Dushyant is not having privilege on working on these modules. He is only having privilege on some modules or sub-modules of acquisition module. He is not having privilege on the sub-module intertitle, initiate on order process and place order. He is only having privilege to work on these modules which are highlighted over here. As far as the opaque submodule is concerned, this is online public access catalog. All the users are having access on this module. Now we will see how a user is assigned privilege to work on different modules or submodules of a module by the administrator. For this I am signing out from the user's account and logging in with the administrator's account. So I am logging in with the administrator ID. The moment I log in with the administrator account, I get this screen, and you see here the administrator is having privilege to work on all the modules or sub-modules of the library management system. You see here all the options are activated, means this user is having privilege on serial, system setup, utilities, circulation, cataloging, acquisition and administration. Now I am going to explain how the administrator can assign privilege to a staff to work on different modules or sub-modules of a module of library management system. So first of all, the administrator registers the staff, and by doing so he enters the particulars of the staff. Say I am creating an account here 999 and I am getting a message that you have entered duplicate staff ID. So I am entering another 999 and register. This is a new staff, so employee ID 999 appears over here, and I am entering the detail of this employee. Mobile number and the details can be entered over here which are relevant to the library, and then we click the register option. You see here the Madhup with the staff ID 4 times 9 is registered successfully. Now the second step is to create a login account for Madhup. Login account may be created by the administrator right now or later on. I am creating a login account so that the user Madhup may log into the system with this username and password. You just see here user ID and his name appears over here automatically, and I am giving or assigning a password to him which the user can change later on. I am submitting it over here. You see here account for Madhup has been created successfully. Now the third step is that this employee Madhup will be assigned privileges to work on different modules or sub-modules of the library management system. Say I am giving, or the administrator is giving privilege him on the cataloging module, so this cataloging will be selected. If this user has to be given privileges on all the sub-modules of the cataloging. Then you will select all. If not, then you will deselect the modules on which this user is not having privileges. So this user is not been assigned privileges on maintenance, current awareness, STI and print catalog, and Madhup is being assigned privileges on system setup, this, which all these are highlighted. After selecting the desired modules, the submodule, submit it. You see here the privileges has been assigned. Now we will show you that whether the user has been assigned or not. For that I logged in out from the administrator module and logging it with the Madhup's ID. So it was 999 and giving the password. You see here this screen appears for Madhup, and you see he is not having access or privileges on administrator module, acquisition module, circulation module, serial module, system module, and like that. He is only having access or privilege on the cataloging module, and that too not on these submodules which we have deselected while assigning the privilege to him. So he is not having access or permissions to work on maintenance submodule, current awareness, STI and print catalog modules. He is only having privileges on these modules which are highlighted over here. So this is how a user is assigned privileges, and this is how administration submodule work.